Hey, what's happening, my friends? Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and today we're covering affiliate slash online marketing for beginners, module 6, which is ethics, transparency, and regulation. All right, very important that you follow the rules here because it can make you or break you, and your business can come to an abrupt stop if you don't follow the rules. There are regulations. All right, ethical and legal. All right, so you can get all these 8 modules for affiliate slash online marketing for beginners for absolutely free, no charge, no obligation. If you go to freedomlifebusiness.com, that's freedomlifebusiness.com. So let's move on. All right, number one, importance of disclosure in affiliate marketing. Make sure you guys pay close attention to this. This is very, very important. Transparency with audience. Clearly informing your audience when you're using affiliate links maintains honesty and sets clear expectations. All right? Building credibility. Transparency can enhance your reputation as an authentic and trustworthy content creator. Okay? Once you lose your reputation, it's very, very hard. It could take years to regain that trust. This whole business on affiliate slash online marketing is based on trust because people will do business with someone they know, like, and trust. I cannot emphasize this enough. All right? Regulatory compliance. Many countries require disclosure for affiliate marketing to protect consumers from misleading advertising. Unfortunately, there are deceiving people out there who make this industry look bad. But it is what it is. As long as you follow the rules, there is no problem. All right. Number two, navigating FTC. FTC is Federal Trade Commission guidelines or guidelines from the relevant country's governing body. All right. Always follow the rules. Understanding guidelines. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with the Federal Trade Commission, FTC guidelines, or those of any relevant governing body in your country, which lay out the expectation for affiliate marketing disclosures. All right? Clear and conspicuous disclosures. Ensure that affiliate disclosures are easily noticeable and understandable to the average reader or viewer. Regular updates. As guidelines can change from time to time, regularly review and update your knowledge and practices to remain constantly compliant. All right? All right, let's move on. Number three, building and maintaining audience trust. Very, very important right here. Very important right here. That's it. Reputation is very big in online slash affiliate marketing when you're branding yourself. Honesty in reviews. Always provide honest opinions and reviews, even if it means pointing out flaws or downsides in affiliate products. All right? Engage authentically. Reply to comments. Address concerns and clarify doubts to show your value to show you value your audience feedback and opinions. All right? Very, very important. Consistent transparency. Always be transparent. Be consistent in disclosing affiliations across all content, whether it's a blog post, social media update, video, or podcast. All right? Let's move on. Number four, avoiding common pitfalls and unethical practices. All right? Over promotion. Avoid overly aggressive sales tactics or promoting products just for the sake of commissions. In previous sections, we had talked about it's not about you, it's about them, their needs, what they need. This can form a long term relationship. In turn, it'll give you long term residual commissions for years and years to come. All right? Misleading claims. Do not make false or exaggerated claims about a product's capabilities or benefits, all right? Not knowing the product. Only promote products you've personally used or have thoroughly researched to ensure you're recommending quality products. Very, very important. Ignoring feedback. If your audience points out issues or concerns with a promoted product, address them promptly and consider reevaluating your promotion of that product. Very, very important. All right? So, in essence, this module highlights the importance of ethical considerations in affiliate marketing, okay? Very important section right here. Make sure if you have to rewatch this video over and over again, make sure you do so and get yourself familiar, all right? Prioritizing transparency, big priority. Honesty and adherence to regulations is crucial not only for compliance, but also for building long-term trust and loyalty with an audience, all right? Now, you can pick up all these 8 modules of this tutorial of affiliate/online marketing for absolutely free at freedomlifebusiness.com, or you can go in the description below and click on the link. All right? I will see you in module 7. Until then, have a nice day.